So in order to export out your project with captions, you should go to share right here. One of the services that accept captions is YouTube. Once you click on it, the YouTube dialog box will pop up right here. It'll just load out. And here you can see that there's an option to upload captions just like this. If you were to uncheck this and upload, then it won't upload the captions. But once you take this out, it uploads it with captions. But let's focus on how we can export out a local project with captions in different ways. So to do that, let's just click on share right here and click on local file. So once we do that, you can see right here that I can choose custom production settings. But over here, let us just select MP4 with Smart Player. Let us click on next. And over here, I'm just going to export this out in desktop as with captions, just like this. As you can see, with captions 1 is what I want to name this. Production name, I'm just going to say test right here. And then I'm going to go around and hit finish. So it'll create the folder as you can see right here, and then it'll export out the project with its default settings. So this will take some time just like this, and then it renders out the video, and then it has been rendered out. So now let's just minimize this out and go on to our folder right here. So once I open it out, you can see that test.html is here. So let me just open that out, and you can see that the video is here. So I can just play this around. So over here you can see. So over here you don't see the captions yet because I haven't turned on the caption yet. So this is a soft caption right here, which I can just turn on, and you can see that the captions now show up. That I'm on my desktop. This is my PC, and what you can also do with captions is go over here onto the player just like this. Search. Let's say for example, I'm going to search for right and right click to get more information. So once you click on it, you can see that it forwards it to that exact point where we found the text. So that is how we can search different elements in a video as well. And it is much more better for the users as well. There are other ways to export out captions as well. So let's see how to do that. So here in Camtasia, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share again and click on local file. And then over here, instead of choosing the default option, I'm just going to choose the custom production settings so that I have more control. So I'm just going to click on next, and MP4 Smart Player is what I'm going to choose, and I'm going to hit next again. Once I do that, I'm going to produce with controller, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to go on to option and enable captions just like this. So by default, closed captions is turned on. That is the type of caption you saw when we exported out with the default settings. We can also add in burn-in captions. So what it does is it makes the captions part of the video itself. But over here, what I want to do is let the audience have the control to control out the captions. So we don't want to work around with in captions right here, but we want to work with under video captions right here, which is another interactive way for the users to see captions, where the captions is not in the video file itself, or it is displayed on the video file, but beneath. So let's see how we can work with this. You can also turn whether searchable feature is on or off. Let me just keep that on itself. And I'm going to hit next just like this. And my TutuTube logo is here just like that. All right. And then I'm just going to go around and hit next. And I'm just going to export this out over here as, let's say, test itself. And then in desktop, I'm just going to choose caption 2 right here and hit finish. So let it process, and another folder is being made, as you can see right here. It's rendering the video and it is completed. So now let's see how that looks like. So I'm just going to minimize this, go on to the caption 2 folder, open up the test right here, and I'm going to hit play. So over here you can see that, and now you can see that the caption is beneath it. There's no option to turn it off, but it's just beneath it, and it does not block around the video right here. Of course, you can make it full screen, and this is how it seems, just like that as well. You still have the search function right here. But I'm on my desktop. This is my PC, and if I were to right click on it, and those are the subtitle exporting options inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.